I'm here to help. I have a 65-watt charger. It goes into the PD port. And I'm going to turn my camera on 91%. It's at 91% because I did a video before trying to help somebody out. I'm going to shut my camera off. It's a long press. I'm going to hold it for a good 10, 15 seconds. And I go back on. So it seems that the camera doesn't shut off correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're off. Maybe I slipped, maybe I'm not. I'm going to plug into my PD charger. Oh, look at that. My camera came on. I'm not going to leave this just as is, man. That is wonderful. I hate the on and off button because it's made for diving. It's very hard to press. So let's make sure we just remove the battery this time and go about business. Remove the battery, place in, make sure I'm not touching anything, and close up. I want to now put in my PD charger. It's the fast charging. I'm going to start up 91%. I'm going to leave my camera run. I'm going to wear down my Sony battery. And this will go in and out every so seconds. And I'll put a clock on it, a timer, so you can see how it goes in and out every few seconds. When you first get your camera, the first thing you do is charge your battery. There it goes out and goes back on. You charge your battery before you update. And you're going to find that green window right here every 10 seconds. It's going to stay at 45%. It's not going to move. You're going to tap it, then it's going to show the actual reading. And that is something that it's random on each of the camera. Update your firmware and all that good stuff. We'll leave this run. There you go. You see it updated. At 100%, it's going to shut off. It's not going to show anything until I tap the screen and it's off. Then I'm going to remove the cable. I'm going to put it to the side. And I'm going to come back in a couple of hours. It shouldn't take that long for it to go down in percentage of power. So let it run. I'm not sure if it's still on or off, but there it is. It's in the off state now. It's not coming on due to the touch. I simply remove. I'm going to put it right here and remove. Leave as is. And I'm not going to put any marks, any tricks. We'll come back in. You got it. This is the time, as you see. Timer clock. Reset. See how long it sits there for. I'm going to shut the camera off because there's no need for me to do anything else but report back. It's about 7 hours later, and we are going to turn the camera on. See how many hours later if we have a drain. That tells you that the camera is not on standby at 100%. So if you have an issue, well, you're going to have to get with the company and figure out what the problem is. I would return it and get another one. If you're in the return period, don't worry about the drain. But I am going to walk you through the settings since I can't shut it off, and this is going to use some power when I do it. There is my compliance, my device info, factory reset, date, language, Bluetooth remote controller, not on. If I look at the next one, last live stream, Horizon calibration, auto power off, renaming, time code, grid, sound, wireless connection, on. You could choose to turn it off or keep it on. That's a good thing that you're able now to turn Bluetooth off and when Wi-Fi is connected. And there you have it. USB mode, built-in mic, and the other settings. I went backwards because there's nothing else in the camera that's going to cause a drain 100%. Have a great day.